First, go to pet owner admin dashboard page. From pages you can find it. Pet owner admin dashboard. When you visit the page, you will have option to log in. You can use your email ID and password. I'm using mine. Sign in. Now first I'll have to create an user. From administrator we can go to manage users, add a user first, put all this information and hit create. I'm not creating a new one here because I already have some things. So when you create someone, it will show like this. We can manage it. I'm updating here on to admin. But when you create new user, you need to choose pet owner because they are not going to be admin, they are pet owner. I am just updating your user account to admin so that you have the backend access. Now the user creation is done. From here go to marker. If I create a new marker, it will ask me to choose an user, and this is pet owner. So let's choose something, and you see the text area. Here you will have to choose the embed code. This is my marker information. You see I have different tabs. On tab for on user, on pet owner. So let's say I have the information here in this tab, file, published over here. You see this is the tab list. From here web page is fine. Now if I go to publish, this is the link. Copy, paste here. Now create. So the marker creation is done for Suleiman Badsha. You will have to choose the new user you created. Now go to certificate, create new one, animal ID. This is the user to select from the drop down. All the new users you create will be shown here, and after you fill up all this information, click create and it will create a new certificate, and that will be shown here. You can check it by this. And I think that's it. We have pet concierge. I shown you already all these things, but request to send a video again. So overall that's it. Thank you.